are here in Waimea Valley. What do you want to see?
See some waterfalls and some dinosaurs. Okay? Dinosaurs and waterfalls.
Okay, not the place here, but okay.
It could.
No.
We don't need no maps. We figure it out. Isn't that right?
Oh my goodness. But if you want to, we can just go with it. But they give it to you to look. I don't need a damn map. The mosquitoes getting you, babe? I thought you said it was only me.
Yeah,
because of my sweet
I'm a
blood.
better person. I guess I'm sweeter now.
No, see, you get bit all up in them legs.
I was hoping to see some monkeys.
Monkeys? Where do you think we at? This fool.
Yes.
No. So in Hawaiian, wahine means sky. So go use that bathroom, okay?
Sure. So go the opposite. Gotcha.
So you knew I was lying?
Yeah.
Here we go. It's that back there.
Oh, you literally could jump in.
Yep. Alright. Getting ready to go in the water. How do you feel, babe?
Oh, it feels great. You know, it was a little different, but now it's
Nipply? Hacha.
What do we do?
I want to get closer under.
It's like the hardest workout right now.
Well, suck it up. Legs feel like jello.
Ooh, it is.
How's your legs feel?
Oh, I feel like I can go again.
Jiggly. Oh my gosh. Jigglypuff.
Oh shit, I'm like...
Whatever, Snorlax. The mosquitoes are attacking us now. Probably because we just went in the water. We like slapping my legs and everything. I killed 2 off of you, babe.
I know.
You didn't even feel them.
Hell no. You're gonna get eaten alive over there. It is.
How do you know? You've never been here.
Oh yeah? Okay. Let's see. 5 seconds later.
But that was nice back there.
Yeah.
The walk.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.